Bought a new trailer for the side-by-side, 14 by 77 inches, 14 foot, dual axle, big tex. At the guy's house, getting ready to leave up. Do a video soon. All right, picked up the new trailer. See all the lights actually work on it. Pretty cool. Gotta add some more, obviously, but seem to be on. Tires are good. No dry rot. It's got brakes on the rear axle. Tires are good. Deck looks like it's in good shape. Gate looks real good. Oh yeah. It's got a light box, and actually it's on. Looks like there's good wiring to it, so looks good. It's cold as shit though, so I'll get back on the road. All right, here's the next day after I bought that trailer. See, it's in pretty good shape. Needs repainted. Deck is very sturdy though, so I'll do the same trick I did with the angle grinder on the deck. Clean that up. It's gonna need a pin on this side, maybe a new pin setup. I'm gonna change the lights because I hate them down low like that, and I just don't like those boxes. Coat of paint, cover up some of this rub. It just rubs off, but it's in good shape. Tires are great. Underside, really solid. Has brakes, don't know if they work. No hold downs though. So you see, it looks like there was a strap there, and that's it. Strap on the other side right there, but got to put some hold downs on it. Maybe some E-track for the side-by-side. But move the toolbox over, get the toolbox on. I'll probably repaint it first, and try and clean it up. I like the stickers. It actually makes it look good, but probably redo them. So get some cool lettering for that. Got the other jack in there. Put the other jack on. Chains are good. Wiring worked all night driving home last night. You can see it looks recently rewired, so I'm not gonna mess with it right away, I don't think. This might be one of those projects that I eventually get to, but for now it's good enough. Would like to put some high mount lights on the back. Maybe do a light strip up on top. Might be better actually to do a light strip like that. I think I'm gonna do an easy open gate. But yeah, pretty nice trailer for the price I paid. Hopefully I can sell the other one and come out okay on it. Got some backup lights. Had those on sale last night on Amazon, so all those are already here. Figured out a way to get those in. But it's nice buying a usable trailer for now. I think priority is gonna be hold downs. Oh, I see wire nuts. All right, so hold downs and tail lights and maybe a light strip, and we'll go from there. Paint. But I think it'll be a nice trailer. Perfect size for my house and my side-by-side. So yeah, start working pretty soon. Out here grinding off stickers. Still a wire wheel on there. Gonna hit that and that. But gonna get new 50As made, 50 LAs. Try and clean up the heavy rusted spots and start painting. All right, quick update to the 14-foot side-by-side trailer. It's been too cold to film, so I've kind of been working just 20 minutes at a time doing stuff. So I got my old spare tire mounted from the last trailer. I did end up selling that last trailer, the 10-footer, for I think it was $1,200. So took the toolbox, took the spare tire, and took that ultimate jack I put on there with the adjustable feet. Now, got that bolted down, no problem. I was just drilling holes, the same hole pattern I used on the other the other trailer. I did adjust the jack handle because it was too long. I just drilled a new hole in that, so now your hand doesn't hit there when you're jacking. This trailer's in really good shape. Deck looks really good. It's wet. It's not really that bad. Seems sturdy. Put the side by side on already. Make sure it fit. We'll have those stops, wheel chocks coming in this week. I'll put those on. Only other things I've done so far is I mounted this spare set of butt lights. They're not even wired in yet because I'm going to redo all the wiring, obviously. The wiring works, so I'm not going to mess with it till I get all my parts in. But I mounted that light on both sides for reverse. And then the hardware for the pins. Drilled a hole. You can get this at Tractor Supply. It's a pin and a chain with a cotter pin on it. So I drilled a hole, put that in. And then I also bought, drilled the hole on the side. Also bought replacement pin for this side. That's in the shop right there. But I ordered a knockoff gator lift tailgate ramps because this is a very heavy tailgate. This is tubing, not angle iron. So I wanted to get the gator lifts. So those will be coming in. Before I put those on, I'm going to paint the top rail and maybe paint the easy to reach stuff with that Tractor Supply farm paint. Is it Tractor Supply? It's Rust-Oleum Farm and Implement in gloss black. So I'm going to slap that on. Tires are really good on this trailer. Not going to paint the stickers. I like the stickers. Everything's in good shape. But it's been too cold to film, so I'll try and film from here on out. Today it's nice. It's almost 40. So I'll be working outside today trying to get this moving. And yeah, that was the update. If anything else cool with this trailer, I'll film it. And I'll do a video with the side-by-side on it too. So stay tuned. All right, I think it's going pretty well. I don't know if you can see because of the sunlight. Oh, it's tough to see. But doing the inside rail. In the back. There, you can see that. You should be able to see the difference. I don't know, we'll see. Might keep going. Don't know about this brush. It leaves lines in it, but I don't know if they'll smooth out or not. So, we'll see. At least it won't be rusty. It'll be black, maybe with lines, but it won't be rusty. So, that's all we need. So I'm gonna keep working. All right, same day. Got a coat of paint on the trailer. Is it perfect? No. It's pretty good though. Happy for the couple hours I spent doing it. Mounted my motorcycle stand in the middle. The through bolt on the angle iron. Got my light tester, my wireless remote hooked up. Check it out. I actually bought a trailer with working brakes. That never happens. I'm gonna go up on the jack a little bit more. But yeah, you can see. Got turn signal. Left. Marker. See the ones down there kicked on. That one's on too. It's hard to see in the sun. And then got right turn signal and brake. So pretty cool. Pretty happy with this trailer, honestly. I think the paint came out great. Took a long time to paint all the expanded metal, but I think it really looks good. So pretty happy. Got a trailer with working brakes. First time ever. All right. See you in the next clip. All right. Quick update on the trailer. You can see the black paint came out really pretty good compared to what it looked like. Right now I'm putting these generic Gorilla lifts on, but these are the ones with the aluminum rollers. So it's like $20 more to get those. I think it'll look good. Gates, really nice, well painted, tacked up okay, real nice and dry. So drilling some holes, gonna put this on. Looks pretty simple. Yeah, I'll be back when it's done. All right, got a 30-second tip here. I'm installing these Gorilla lifts. Having trouble getting the cable on the right spot tight. Take a pair of vice grips, Lock them on there. You can easily pull up on that cable and get it tight. All right, got both of these installed. They work real nice. Pop the pin. And the gate barely even goes down. And you can pick it up with your foot. Stays up all by itself, even on the hill. So, for the $100 that was, super impressed. So, need to go get this weighed, get it registered, be good to go. But I'm thrilled in the last couple days of progress on this thing. So, yeah, let's wrap up the new trailer video. Probably not gonna do any more video on it. Probably put more lights on it later, but time will tell. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Alright, one last update on this trailer for this video. Ordered these Ericsson wheel chock tie downs. Got 2 kits. Already put the side-by-side on, figured out where I want the weight. And then I marked my holes. You can see we're gonna drill these out. That'll be the front, like that. And for some reason there's 2 sets of holes there. Must have bumped it. We'll go like that. So I'll drill these in, put some nice grade 8 bolts, some fender washers, and we'll have this all bolted down. So, yeah, I'll do a quick clip when it's done. But this is gonna wrap up this trailer project. I'll see you in the next video. All right, this is gonna wrap up the trailer build. See, I got the straps all on, sitting nice and level. Tahoe squatted a little bit, but I think the trailer's loaded really well. So, yeah, I'm gonna do another video about putting some air suspension on the back of the Tahoe, try and level it out. I think the trailer's set up. It's kind of the Tahoe. It's not perfect. So you can see right there, pretty big squat, but we'll get it figured out. Anyway, these Ericsson hold down straps, real nice. Fit the tire real good. Plenty of room on the trailer for wider tires. Fueling up on my buddy's farm. Test the rig out a little bit. But yeah, everything's good to go. So thanks for watching this trailer project. That's gonna do it for now. Thank you. Bye.